Google AI Studio versus Gemini, what is the difference? Choosing the right AI platform can completely change how you develop and deploy models without wasting time or resources. We'll explore both Google AI Studio and Gemini to help you decide. Google AI Studio and Gemini are two powerful AI platforms designed for developers and businesses. The core difference lies in Google AI Studio's focus on integrated AI development tools, while Gemini emphasizes scalable AI model deployment and management. Google AI Studio is a comprehensive platform for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. It offers a user-friendly interface with seamless integration to Google Cloud services, enabling developers to leverage powerful computing resources. The platform supports various ML frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, making it flexible for different project needs. Google AI Studio excels in providing collaborative tools, version control, and automated workflows that speed up experimentation and iteration. However, it may require a learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with Google Cloud's ecosystem, and costs can rise with extensive usage. Ideal users are data scientists, AI researchers, and enterprises seeking an all-in-one environment that combines development and deployment with Google's infrastructure. Gemini is designed to simplify the deployment and management of AI models at scale. It focuses on providing robust infrastructure for running AI workloads efficiently across different environments, including cloud and on-premises. Gemini offers features like automated scaling, model versioning, and monitoring, ensuring reliable performance in production. Its strengths include easy integration with existing data pipelines and support for containerized deployments using Kubernetes, which enhances flexibility. However, Gemini is less focused on the initial model development phase, so users typically need to prepare their models elsewhere before deployment. This platform is best suited for organizations that prioritize operational stability and scalability in AI applications, such as enterprises with complex AI production needs. Google AI Studio and Gemini serve complementary roles in the AI lifecycle. Google AI Studio shines during model creation and experimentation, offering tools that accelerate innovation. Gemini takes over when models are ready for production, emphasizing scalability and management. For example, a startup might choose Google AI Studio to prototype quickly, while a large enterprise would rely on Gemini to handle thousands of AI requests reliably. The trade-off is between development convenience and deployment robustness. Google AI Studio integrates tightly with Google Cloud, which is great for those already invested in that ecosystem. Gemini's strength lies in its flexibility to run AI workloads across diverse infrastructure setups, making it ideal for hybrid environments. Choosing depends on whether you need a development-focused platform or a deployment-centric solution. Choose Google AI Studio if your priority is building and experimenting with AI models in a fully integrated environment backed by Google's cloud services. Opt for Gemini when your focus is on deploying and managing AI models at scale with reliable infrastructure and flexible environment support. Both platforms excel in their domains, so aligning your choice with your AI project's stage and goals will maximize success.